Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill is a groundbreaking self-help book that has inspired millions of people to achieve success and wealth. Originally published in 1937, this timeless classic presents a philosophy of personal achievement based on the principles of mindset, belief, action, and persistence. Hill starts the book by highlighting the power of desire as the starting point of all success. He emphasizes the importance of having a clear, burning desire for a specific goal, and nurturing it with unwavering faith and belief in oneself. He encourages readers to cultivate a positive mindset, eliminate self-doubt, and develop a strong sense of purpose. Faith is another crucial element discussed in the book. Hill emphasizes the need to believe in oneself and in the attainment of the desired goal. He introduces the concept of autosuggestion, which involves using positive affirmations and visualizations to influence the subconscious mind and shape beliefs and behaviors. Hill emphasizes the importance of feeding the mind with positive thoughts and avoiding negative influences. Acquiring specialized knowledge and skills in a particular field is a cornerstone of success, according to Hill. He emphasizes the importance of continuous learning, improvement, and taking action based on well-structured plans. He encourages readers to become experts in their chosen field and to develop a keen sense of observation and analysis. Imagination is another key concept discussed in the book. Hill highlights the power of imagination in creating a clear mental picture of the desired outcome. He encourages readers to use their imagination to generate innovative ideas, solve problems, and visualize success. Hill also emphasizes the importance of setting specific goals and developing a plan to achieve them, with a focus on taking consistent action. Persistence is a fundamental principle highlighted in Think and Grow Rich. Hill acknowledges that challenges, setbacks, and failures are inevitable on the path to success, but he emphasizes the importance of maintaining unwavering persistence and resilience. He encourages readers to develop a never-give-up attitude, learn from failures, and keep moving forward towards their goals. Hill introduces the concept of the mastermind, which involves surrounding oneself with a group of like-minded individuals who can provide support, guidance, and expertise. He emphasizes the power of collaboration and the importance of building a network of individuals who share similar goals and values. Hill also discusses the role of positive and negative influences in one's environment and the need to be selective in choosing the right people to associate with. The book delves into the power of the subconscious mind and its influence on thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Hill emphasizes the importance of positive programming and eliminating negative thought patterns. He provides practical techniques for harnessing the power of the subconscious mind, such as using positive affirmations, visualization, and meditation. Hill also touches upon the role of decision-making in achieving success. He encourages readers to make prompt and decisive decisions, avoid procrastination and indecision, and take responsibility for the consequences of their choices. He introduces the concept of the sixth sense, which involves tapping into intuition, hunches, and gut feelings to make wise decisions. Throughout the book, Hill shares inspiring stories and anecdotes of successful individuals, including Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and Andrew Carnegie, to illustrate his principles and philosophy. He provides practical examples and exercises for readers to apply in their own lives, and he emphasizes the need for self-discipline, determination, and perseverance on the path to success. In conclusion, Think and Grow Rich is a powerful guide to achieving success and wealth. It presents a comprehensive philosophy of personal achievement based on mindset, belief, action, and persistence. Hill's timeless wisdom continues to inspire and motivate individuals to pursue their dreams, overcome challenges, and achieve their goals.